So hello everyone, my name is Ravindra. In this video, we are seeing schedule cloud flows in the Microsoft Power Automate. We'll try to run the Power Automate flow whenever month start, month ends on only working days or only on the weekdays. So let's go and see. So I'm on the Microsoft Power Automate. Here we have the options, multiple options: automated, instant, schedule, describe it, desktop, and process finance. So schedule flow means whenever you have to perform some repeated activity on the minute wise, second wise, day wise, or hourly, so you can be use the schedule cloud flow trigger here. So let's we go in the schedule flow. But if you see, we not have the option, okay, like run the flow each month, first day or end of the month, or the only one the working days, 5 days we have the working culture, so only for that 5 days, or on the Saturday Sunday. So not that of trigger is available with us, okay. So we need to add a trigger condition for that. So let's go and see how we can be add. So let's go and give our flow name first, okay. Schedule cloud flow, let's we give the same name to our Power Automate flow, and simply we will set the interface to the day here and just simply click on the create. So in this case we now want to run the flow. Let's take the first condition, okay. So our first condition is start of the month and end of the month. So let's we go add in here filter action. So we are using this filter action to write an expression here only, okay. Then to run our Power Automate flow on the month day, so we have the one function, okay, UTC now. In the Power Automate, it will gives you the current date and time, okay. So let's we go and click on the function. Let's type here UTC now. So by using this function we will get current date and time. So we need the month, okay, day of that month. So let's we go and use your function day of month, okay, and simply we will close the day of month function here, okay. Just click on the add. Day of the month is equal to the 1, okay, means the first working day. In that case, just we want to run the flow. So let's we copy this condition, go to the recurrence action. In the recurrence we will go to the settings and click on here add trigger condition and simply paste the trigger condition here. So now this flow will run each first day of the month, okay. So this is the first thing you can be achieved. So let's we gives the now let's try the second condition, okay, end of the month. This is little bit tricky, so we will you take this at the end of the video. Let's go on the weekdays we have to run the Power Automate flow, third condition. So let's we go, let's I remove this expression here, okay, and click one more time Power FX. Now just think we need want to run this Power Automate flow on the only weekdays, okay. So first we'll use the UTC function to take the current date and time, and then we will use here day of week function one more time. So we will get the which week it is going on, means which day is going on, and then we'll simply close this. Let's click on the add here, and here we will use less than or equal to 5, okay, and then we will use here advanced edit mode and just simply we copy this condition. Let's explain you this condition. So in our week day of week function will return the current day, means it will start from the Monday is first, then the Tuesday is second, so on the Friday it is fifth, and sixth. So on Friday it's four, sorry, it's 4, and in the Saturday Sunday 5 and 6. So on that 5 and 6 it is greater than or equal to 5 and 6, so this condition will trigger and we can use this. So let's we go in the recurrence, in the setting. Whenever we have to run the flow, we will simply use this condition. Now we want to run the our power automate flow on the work days only. Let's we cut this condition entirely, edit in basic mode, just go power effects, and here we will write a condition day of week. Okay, close UTC now, and just simply click here on add. We'll use here if it is 0. Okay, so means it is an set Sunday. So let's we copy this, go to the recurrence, in the settings we will simply paste this action here. Let's add one more condition, and in the second one we will simply, instead of is equal to 6, just we simply copy this, go to the settings and simply paste this. So it should be 5 and 6, okay, instead of 0. Whenever this the flow will this is equal, we need to use not equal to sign instead of this. So let's we cut this and this as well. Let's we go to our filter action, and instead of equal to we will use here not equal to, and then we will copy this action. Okay, we go in the recurrence, simply go to the settings, and then we will paste it here. And we not need this at the rate sign and this one curly bracket, so we need to remove these, friends. Okay, so keep in the mind. So same thing, let's we I copy this and simply I paste this here. Okay, so now our flow will not run on the work on the weekends, so our flow will run on the only weekends. That's all, friends. The homework that is for the end of the month is expression is attached in the comment box. From there you can try and learn from yourself. That's all. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Have a nice day to all. Thank you, friends.